President believes that this occasion reflects our aspiration for an education sector that reaches every learner and equips every Filipino for the demands of the future. He also recognizes that progress is achieved through the dedication of our teachers, the cooperation among our education agencies, and the shared belief that every child deserves a fair chance to succeed. As we gather for the launching of the PBBM Gabay ng Bayan programs, we are reminded that education is a right that must reach every Filipino, no matter how far, how poor, how marginalized, or how difficult. Taken together, these initiatives reflect a coherent approach to higher education reform, expanding access, strengthening institutions, and ensuring that every peso invested in education yields value for the Filipino people. Together, let us build a bagong Pilipinas where education is a sturdy foundation for stronger families, a more capable workforce, and a more progressive nation.
PBBM Gabay is the acronym for all the scholarships that we are offering in higher education through CHED. And this is a commitment of our President na dapat walang maiiwan. We will not only focus on access, but we will also focus on a guided scholarship to make sure na lahat ng mga sectors na mahirap i-take or fill up or nawawalan ng gana ng mga estudyante ay kailangan ma-fill upan sa pamamagitan nito. This is what I call the AAA Scholarship Program. Ito yung banner program ng ating Pilipinas, yung mga top 5 across senior high school graduate in the Philippines ay may kapag-avail nito. Our commitment at CHED is to ensure that we will make education as the pillar, strongest pillar to build the bagong Pilipinas.
Very thankful po ako na may mas pinalawak na programa para sa amin dahil para sa akin ito ay nagsisimbolo ng mas madaming opportunities and of course it symbolizes yung pag-asa para sa amin pong mga estudyante dahil nakikita po namin na pinapahalagahan po ng pamahalaan ang aming edukasyon at kinabukasan. Sisikapin ko pong mas pabutihin ang aking pag-aaral and of course gusto ko din po i-encourage yung mga kapwa kong mag-aaral to do the same po para hindi masayang ang napakalaking opportunity na po ito and yung funds po na that was put into this program. I would like to take this opportunity po to thank of course the government, the President for this, yung opportunity po na binigay nyo and of course the thought and the effort into making this happen po to help yung mga ibang estudyante na gaya ko po.